and respond to allegations. I'm going nowhere. Inkosi sangcinile, ngiyabonga.
Thank you, General. Yes, ma'am. Commissioner?
General, just to go back to what you say about the relationship between General Sibiya and Mr. O'Sullivan, you say it's in the public domain, certainly not to some of us. Lest it be what you've said, lest it be understood, if that was not your intention, to mean there is an improper relationship. Perhaps if you could just say a little bit more about this relationship. Are they familial? Is it professional? What in fact is this relationship you're speaking of?
Commissioner, I cannot talk about the nature of the relationship between the two of them. What I know is what General Sibiya told me personally, that Paul O'Sullivan is his friend. He said it with his own words to me. That's why I'm saying, on me going to the media addressing the nation on the 6th, then Paul O'Sullivan went into the media and accused me. Instead of listening to the message I'm delivering and causes allegations I'm making to be investigated, he didn't bother. He just fired back almost immediately. So that made me realize that in Zulu will say, "Ushayinja kumuninoai." So I like to believe that perhaps this what I was alleging there somehow links him somehow.